Welcome to the Homework Guidance series provided to you by Sustainable Studies. In this video, we will help you prepare to answer the prompt. Discuss a sustainability issue that interests you.
When answering a question about a sustainability issue that interests you, it's essential to approach it thoughtfully and with a clear structure. Here's a detailed explanation of how to answer this question. Step number 1. Choose a sustainability issue. Start by identifying a sustainability issue that genuinely captivates your interest. This could be anything from climate change and renewable energy to waste management, biodiversity conservation, sustainable agriculture, or social justice within environmental movements. Step number 2. Research the issue. Once you've chosen a topic, delve into research to deepen your understanding. Look for reputable sources such as academic journals, government reports, NGO websites, and news articles to gather information about the issue. Pay attention to the causes, impacts, current solutions, ongoing debates, and future projections related to your chosen sustainability issue. Step number 3. Narrow down your focus. Sustainability issues are often broad and complex, so it's crucial to narrow down your focus. Consider specific aspects or angles of the issue that intrigue you the most. For example, if you're interested in climate change, you might focus on the impact of deforestation on carbon sequestration in tropical rainforests. Step number 4. Define the problem. Clearly articulate the sustainability issue you've chosen to explore. Describe its significance in terms of environmental, social, and economic implications. Explain why this issue matters to you personally and why you believe it's essential for society to address it. Step number 5. Discuss potential solutions. After defining the problem, discuss potential solutions or strategies to address the sustainability issue. Consider both existing approaches and innovative ideas that could lead to positive change. Evaluate the feasibility, effectiveness, and potential challenges associated with each solution. Step number 6. Highlight your personal connection. Share why you're passionate about the sustainability issue you've chosen. Reflect on any personal experiences, values, or beliefs that have shaped your interest in this topic. Your personal connection to the issue adds depth and authenticity to your response. Step number 7. Emphasize the importance of action. Conclude by emphasizing the importance of taking action to address the sustainability issue. Discuss the role that individuals, communities, businesses, governments, and international organizations can play in promoting sustainability and driving positive change. Encourage others to get involved and make a difference. Step number 8. Provide references. If you've used any external sources or references in your response, be sure to cite them properly. This demonstrates academic integrity and allows readers to explore the topic further if they're interested. By following these steps, you can effectively answer the question and communicate your passion for a sustainability issue that interests you. Remember to be genuine, informed, and persuasive in your response.
Thanks for watching this video. By liking this video and subscribing to the channel, you have the power to support students who are passionate about sustainability and help them achieve their goals. Your small action can make a big impact in their lives and pave the way for a brighter, greener future for all.